Hello everyone. As a part of this activity, we will learn how to create references in your report. First, we know that the priority of resources that we use as a part of completing the reports include journals, books, company report and websites. The priority goes like journals are first priority from which we are supposed to write the document. Next priority is books, then we go for company reports, and finally, if nothing is found in journals, books, and company reports, we choose websites. Websites are last preference. It is very important that you are not supposed to research and use resources like homework sites, blogs, and Wikipedia while completing your report. So they are to be avoided from using to research and write your report. So let us understand how the first priority journals, including them as references in your document. The first step is selecting the reference style. Before you start writing your report, it is important that you select what reference style we are going to follow. So in Word menu, there is a section called references. In that, go to reference type. Here you can see the style. In this, you can select any style that is mentioned as a requirement in your report. For this document, we are using APA 6 citation, APA 6 style, reference style for this document. So we are selecting APA 6th edition. And we are going to include journal references in this document. So this is a sample journal document that is created explaining cloud computing benefits to the businesses. Okay, so let me show you how we can include a reference. In the references section, there is a option called insert citation here. Okay, in the citations and bibliography section, we can see insert citation option. Click on that and click on add new source. In this, the first option that need to be selected is type of source. We will be having different type of sources as it was explained to you. We will be using journals, books and reports. Now we are adding journal articles, so we select journal article option. Then we are supposed to find who are the authors of the report. If we check the report, immediately after the title, we usually find names of the people who wrote that journal article. Here 3 authors are there who wrote this report collectively. So let us select the names, we copy it and we paste in our author section and we separate it by a semicolon. Then we select another author name. Again we separate it with a semicolon. Then finally we add the last name of the report. The next section of the report is title of the document. So we are supposed to give, this is the title, the perceived business benefit of cloud computing and exploratory study. So we just copy it and we paste it. If you see, when we copy paste, some parts of title might be missing. So you need to carefully cross check whether complete information is copied or not. If you see this, the first line of the title is copied, remaining part is missing. So let us copy that too and paste it. This is the complete title now. So if you give half title, it will be considered as an incorrect reference and it is a gross error in your report. It will be a gross error in your report. Next thing is we need to add journal name. Usually journal name will be found on the top of the sheet or at on the top of every sheet. Otherwise it will be seen in the bottom of the journal article. Okay, just cross check. This is on the top and we usually see here in the bottom also we can see journal article name. Okay, so now here we can find this is the journal name. So journal name we are giving. Then we need to add few more sections called volume and issue number. These two should be added. So when we click on this show all bibliography fields, it will open complete section. So please use this one to include a volume number and issue number. Now we have date here, 2016 is the date. So year, year. So I'm just pasting year here. We don't need to add, for journals we don't add any dates. We don't add date, we just use only year. After that we have issue number and volume number. So volume is 25, so I am typing it 25, and number or ISS, usually number means issue number. Sometimes it will be giving issue, sometimes they will use number, sometimes ISS they will be using, sometimes 25 and in brackets 4 will be given. It means that 25th volume and 4th issue. So now I am giving 4th issue here. Then page numbers we are supposed to include. Usually along with the article they will give page numbers also. So if they don't give any page number, we need to find the page number. So you can see that at the bottom of the article you can see the page number. This is page number 101. It starts at 101 and it ends at 122. Okay, 101 to 122 is the page numbers. So page number is another important detail that should be included in the reference. So here pages, in pages 101 to 122. Now your reference is complete. So by adding this you will get this kind of information in your document. So this is how we add references when we are writing a document. Okay, so similarly we create in your task requires you to create all the 20 articles you are supposed to generate references, and after completing adding all the 20 references, again come to citations and bibliography section, select bibliography and insert bibliography. You can see the reference is created. Okay, this is the complete reference. We are not supposed to miss any detail in the reference. It contains name of the author, then it contains year, then it contains title, then journal name, volume number and issue, and page numbers. So these are the main details that we need to include when we are using journal articles. Practice it, complete the section, and please inform me such that I can allocate you adding books as reference. Thank you very much.